Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the unexpected error while trying to log in WhatsApp. To get started, simply search for Task Manager and open it. Now in the search box here, type WhatsApp. Right click over the running process of WhatsApp and click on End Task. Now close the Task Manager. Search for Internet Options and open it. From here, go to the Content tab. Then click on Clear SSL State. Click on OK. Now go to Advanced tab. Click on Restore Advanced Settings. And click on Apply and OK. Now try to log in your WhatsApp and hopefully you won't get the error further. However, if you get the error, then proceed ahead with the next method. Simply search for installed apps and open it. From here, find and uninstall WhatsApp. Once uninstalled, open Microsoft Store. Search for WhatsApp and install it from here. Once successfully installed, try to log into your WhatsApp. However, if the shown methods are not working, try to use the WhatsApp web version. Make sure the browser you use is up to date. And if it is also not working, then simply uninstall WhatsApp from your mobile phone and reinstall it back. Make sure you take a backup of your files before you uninstall it from your mobile. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.